If your Neverness to Everness game is stuck on a black screen, freezing or not loading properly, don't worry. In this guide, you'll learn every working fix step by step for Android devices. Step 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes the game fails to load because of temporary RAM issues. Hold power button. Tap restart. Open the game again. Step 2. Check internet connection. Black screen problems often happen because of unstable internet. Try switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Turn it off again. Step 3. Clear game cache. This is one of the best fixes. Android. Open settings. Apps. Neverness to Everness. Storage. Tap clear cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. Step 4. Free storage space. The game may black screen if storage is full. Recommended. Keep at least 10 GB free space. Delete unused apps or videos. Clean junk files. Step 5. Update the game. Old versions can cause launch errors. Open Google Play Store. Search for Neverness to Everness. Tap update. Step 6. Update Android system. System bugs can cause compatibility problems. Settings. System update. Download latest update. Restart phone. Step 8. Open game. Lower graphic settings. If your device is low-end, graphics low, FPS medium, shadows OFF, anti-aliasing OFF. This reduces freezing and black screen issues. Bonus FPS boost tips. Use 60 Hz instead of 120 Hz. Keep phone cool. Remove phone case while gaming. Charge above 30%. Restart before long gaming sessions. That's the complete step-by-step guide to fix black screen issues in Neverness to Everness. If one method doesn't work, continue trying the next fixes. Most players solve the problem after clearing cache, updating the game, or reinstalling resources.